G'day world and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we're looking at something a bit different. Sorry, the box is a bit dusty. I got this a while ago. Okay, this is a Martini. Look at it over there. It says Big Game Condor Basic. Okay, Big Game Condor Basic, and then we see all of those things, and then it says Hunting, and we see a picture of the knife. Craftsmanship, heritage, and modern technology. Okay, Arctic Evolution, that's what created this thing. And then, where's the English part? There, Martini, since 1928. Okay, now I have friends that live in Finland, and they still do that thing where they live in town for, I think it's summer, and in winter they go to the cabin. It's wonderful, but I have not gone to visit them yet. So did I say Finland? I said Finland. Anyway, so yes, I need to go visit Finland, but this is my first Martini knife. Now I did show you all kinds of pukus and things before, but this thing was quite inexpensive and it looks way better than I thought it would be. Okay, we have two nice rivets, we have a single line of stitching, we have a nice functional belt loop, we even have that thing where you can put it over a button, that's nice, and then quite good retention on this guy. And then this is our knife. Now this thing is quite big, okay, look at that. I'm pawing it and there's still a lot left. Okay. Over there we see some kind of serial number, J Martini, Finland. We do have a very sharp spine, so you can scrape and do what you want. There's a bit of jumping on that bolster. Okay, let's do some specs on this thing. It feels like a working knife. It doesn't feel like a work of art or something you're gonna pass down to your children, but it definitely feels like you can work with it. I just want to figure out if this thing is magnetic or not. Let me just find something. Okay, this thing. Okay, that's definitely magnetic. Is this plastic? Or maybe it's... No, it does feel like plastic. Okay, so it's like a plastic bolster. Nice rubbery handle. Like that little thing over there. That's also like a little nylon insert. The handle is quite nice. I don't love the bolster. Okay, but there it also says something. Some kind of US patent, I think. Okay. So, this could be quite a nice beater hunting knife. Okay, or camp knife, or whatever you intend on doing with the thing. Okay, so let's quickly do some specs. Like I said, this thing is quite big. I did not expect it to be that big. Centimeters, almost 13 centimeters for the blade, 25 overall. Inches, pretty much 5 inches on the nose for the blade, and overall about 10 inches. So it's a pretty decent size. Let's see if my sticky calipers will work today. What's that? Yes, it's like 2.5 mil. Okay, 2.5 mil, and the handle is fat, so yeah, whatever. It's quite nice hand-filling handle, so that's not a bad thing. 2.5 mil, and the blade is quite perfect. Like I said, very sharp spine. You can scrape a ferro rod like a champion. It does have a Scandi grind on it, which is quite par for the course on Finnish knives. But it's quite nice. Now I'm not sure up to where the tang goes. Let's see if we can feel that with a magnet. Okay, it's definitely a rat tail tang, and I'm not sure how far it goes. But yes, like I said, definitely a rat tail tang. But it doesn't feel wobbly or anything. It feels quite solid. So I am very happy that I have my Finnish hunting, what's it, big game knife. Now, what they said on the site was that this knife was designed to be a big game hunter, but all the big game that you get in North America and in Europe. Okay, so I suppose we'll be doing elk and I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. I'm not sure if moose and bears fall in there, but whatever you want to do with this thing, I'm sure you can. Remember, you can skin a buffalo with this thing if you want to. You're just gonna take way longer. Okay, so there we go. Finnish hunting knife from Martini. Quite nice. Not a fan of the bolster. They could have done that differently. It looks like cast plastic. Unless I'm wrong, then please tell me in the comments. Okay, it's Saturday morning. We're going to friends this afternoon. We're ramping up to have a little St. Patrick's Day thing also. I'm aiming to do quite a few videos, although I am quite busy and I still have to work. This is a horrible time of year for me. This beginning of the year until middle March, it's quite hectic. After that, life will start settling down again. Okay, but for now, all of you, stay safe, happy, have a good one. Goodbye.